Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a review video about this Amcrest product. It's called Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The model is 8110 from Amcrest. Okay, so here it is. I got it installed and I've been using it for 3 months already. I didn't want to do it right away when I purchased this unit because I want to spend some time to use it and see how friendly it is in terms of like setting it up, how it functions with your phone, with the app. I just, because I used to own a Ring Doorbell system that I was sick and tired of paying every year. The subscription is about $50 or something. I pay $230 for the Ring product, but I still have to pay every year $50, which I was so tired of paying that much money to Ring company. And I went online, searched for the product to replace it, and I already sold it. I already sold the Ring. I found this one. It satisfies all my needs. For instance, it has streaming protocol in place. It has the SD card that you can put it inside and to have it recorded locally, which is the plus. Ring Doorbell couldn't have any one of those. And the way I set up the RTSP, this real-time streaming protocol that I can use with my dashboard. And speaking of RTSP, real-time streaming protocol is the ability to integrate your doorbell system with your smart home dashboard, just like how I got my setup like this. And as you can see, I can basically click on the camera little icon there. It pops up the full picture, live footage in front of my door. You cannot do this without the RTSP, which Amcrest Doorbell 8110 fully supports the real-time streaming protocol. On the other hand, the Ring system that I used to have did not support this function. So I could not make my smart home system work with the Ring Doorbell system. And I don't know about the other product from Ring, but the one that I had from Ring, people have been asking for RTSP, but Ring did not support or did not care to support. They want your money every month to fully use the system with an app, which you can basically do everything what Ring can with the Amcrest 8110. That, for me, to decided to scrap Ring doorbell system in front of my house. So also the main reason why I switched to Amcrest 8110. So, but to be fair, it's more complicated to set up the system like this that I have with my system right now. But it's an option for you to do. I mean, with Ring, you can only use it with an app. Yeah, Ring cannot integrate with any smart home dashboard. Maybe you have an option to do that, but I wasn't aware because this is free, that I did not have to pay any money to have my setup. With it, I'm gonna open this box, see what's included inside the box. So I purchased this one on Amazon for $150 Canadian. It's good for me. I mean, Ring Doorbell is $200, and then every month you have to pay for subscription for like $50, which is like a lot for me. So that's not easy to open. Oh, there you go. All right, it's open, and as you can see, what it says, installation your chime kit. Okay, it has a kit to go with the doorbell. Installation your Wi-Fi doorbell manual, I guess. So they include what's in here. All right. Security notice, warranty card. Let's get started with the app, I guess, on the App Store. Some screwdriver made out of plastic, some screwdriver bits. I guess that this one goes in here. All right, so that's Just that. The phase, they have only one silver phase to replace, and the camera itself is a little bit, it's bigger than the Ring doorbell that I had. So I'm gonna go through the manual to read it, to see what I have to do, especially with the wow, that feels a little bit heavy. I don't know what's in there. So two terminal to connect your power and some backplate. All right. Well, it doesn't feel nice. This feels very cheap plastic. Look at the button. I don't know if you can see it. It's no, the plastic is not nice, but it doesn't matter. All right, some bits, connector to connect your all right, some screwdriver and the chime kit that go into your mechanical bell. All right, some wire to connect to, some drill bits to drill into the concrete if you needed to. Maybe you can include the hand drilling kit or something. What I'm gonna do with the bit, you gotta have a drill. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna go on and read the manual now to install on my all right.